in this lesson, we will continue our exercise 6.1 from the question number 2 up to the question number 1st we have completed, and the basic introduction of the exercise 6.1 and the sum of the definitions which are related with this chapter we have already discussed in the previous one video. And if you did not watch this one video, so please go back and check the previous video and then you will come on this video. So let's start without wasting the time. Exercise 6.1 from the question number 2nd. Our question is XY and MN. These are two lines. देखो स्ट्रक्चर दे रखी है. According to the given structure, two lines are here. First is XY and second is MN. These two lines are given which are intersecting each other at point O. Question number 6. If angle POY, one more line is here in this manner, and this is P. POY is equals to 90 degree. This symbol, it means this angle is equals to 90 degree. And the ratio of angle A, and these three things are given. This is the angle A, it is the angle B, and this one is the angle C. According to our question, some things are given which are angle POY is equals to 90 degree. Second thing, ratio of angle A and B is equals to 2:3. Then what will be the value of angle C? Means हमें ये calculate करना है कितने डिग्री का होगा. So how will we do it? From here we can say that angle POY, look here, it is a straight line. XY is a straight line and this is the point O. And then this angle is a straight angle, and we can say that the measure of this angle is equals to 180 degree. So I am writing from here XY is a straight line. Therefore angle XOY will be 180 degree. Got it? Now XOY is the combination of, we can say that XOY is equals to XOP. P is here, XOP plus POY. Angle XOP plus angle POY, which is equals to 180 degree. Look again, XOY is equals to sum of this one and this one. Got it? This is equals to 180 degree, which is already given here. Now XOY, देखो यहाँ से XOP is also the sum of this one and this one. Means these two angles, first one is this and second one is this. Sum of this one and this one is equals to XOP. So XOP is equals to angle XOM plus angle MOP. Clear? And angle POY is already given, which is 90 degree. 90 degree is equals to 180. I think you are getting. अब देखो थोड़ा सा और एक्सप्लेन करता हूं साइड में. This ratio is given, angle A ratio angle B is given. Clear? Then which is 2:3. From here we can say that A upon B is equals to 2/3. Clear? So A upon B is equals to 2/3. बात समझ में आ गई यहां तक? और यहां से देखो A क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 3A is equals to 2B. After the cross multiplication, 3A is equals to 2B. A is equals to 2/3B. I will use this value in this case. देखो XOM is equals to angle B. It is equals to B plus MOP is equals to A. is equals to 180 minus 90. A is equals to 2 upon 3b from here. B plus 2 upon 3b is equals to 90 degree. And now 3 is LCM. Denominator of this one is 1. 3b plus 2b is equals to 90 degree is equals to 5b upon 3 is equals to 90. Is it clear? Now next step. b कितना हो जाएगा, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो, देखो इसका डेनोमिनेटर में 1 ले लेता हूं, ये लिख देता हूं 5b is equals to 270. 5b is equals to 270 and from here b is equals to 270 upon 5. b is equals to 5 5s are 25 and 5 4s are, so the value of angle b is equals to 54 degree. अब हमें a की वैल्यू चाहिए, तो a की वैल्यू के लिए आप b की वैल्यू यहां रख दे, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो a आ जाएगा. बट नाउ वी नीड द वैल्यू ऑफ c. वी नो दैट what we know that MON is also a straight line, then this angle is equals to 180 degree, and the complete this one angle is sum of this one and this one. So B plus C is equals to 180 degree. B is 54 degree plus C is equals to 180 degree. Finally C is equals to 180 minus 54 and C is equals to 100 160 नहीं आएगा क्या, नहीं 126 D. This is the required answer of our question. I hope that you understood complete process. Now I am solving the next question, question number 3. So before it, you will note it down. Next question is, question number 3. A structure is given like this. This is the point P, Q, R, and it is a straight line ST. And in this case, it is given according to our question. The given thing is angle PQR is equals to angle PR. This thing is given, and we have to prove what we have to prove. Angle PQS is equals to angle PRT. ये हमें प्रूव करना है. Means this angle is equals to this one. बात समझ में आ गई. अपन मान लेते हैं ये अक्ष के इक्वल है, दोनों इक्वल है तो कोई वैल्यू होगी, और अपन इसको क्या कंसीडर कर लिया, लेट्स सपोज बोथ द एंगल्स आर इक्वल टू अक्ष डिग्री. Now check from here, this one is a straight line, and we can say that, or we know that at each and every point on a straight line the value of angle will be 180 degree. So this angle means sum of this one and this one is equals to 180 degree. So angle SQP, proof. We know that, वैसे तो हम सब कुछ ही जानते हैं. We know that angle PQS plus PQR is equals to 180 degree. Equation number first. And one more thing, angle PRT, similarly sum of this one and this one is also 180 degree. PRT, angle PRT plus PRQ. PRQ is equals to 180 degree. This is the equation number 2. RHS are equal, then LHS must be equal to each other, as I told you in the previous one video. So from equation first and second, what will we get? Angle PQS plus angle PQR is equals to angle PRT plus angle PRQ. And check from here, something we assumed, angle PQR is equal to X. Angle PQR is equals to X, and here PRQ is also X, is equals to angle PRT plus X. And in the last video I suggested you that either side of the equal symbol, if the two values are same with their symbols, then we can cancel these both. So finally what we get? PQS is equals to angle PRT. Now check this one and this one, both are equal. So we have proved this one as the question want. So friends, I hope that you are understanding. Now please copy this solution in your notebook. Now the next question. Question number 4. A structure is given like this. It is point A, this is point B. A ray in this manner and another ray like this. This is the point C and another is D. X1, Y, Z and W. These four angles are given here. Now we have one thing is given, X plus Y is equals to Y plus Z. X plus Y is equals to, the given thing is, it is given X plus Y is equals to W plus Z. Means the sum of these both angles is equals to sum of these both angles. What we have to prove here? To prove, according to our condition, we have to prove AOB. AOB is a straight line. AOB is a straight line. Now start the proof. First of all, try to judge according to the structure or analysis the structure. In this case, what we know, something which is like this, we can say that we know that all around a point, the constructed angle is always equals to 360 degree. And in this case, sum of all these angles It is a circular angle which will be equals to 360 degree. So we can say that angle B, ये पॉइंट O ले लेते हैं, BOC, एंगल BOC प्लस एंगल COA प्लस एंगल AOD प्लस एंगल DOB इज इक्वल्स टू 360 डिग्री। देखो पहला केस ये आता है माइंड में कि अपन इसको करें कैसे। चलो मुझे आता है, ठीक है, मैंने प्रैक्टिस की है, बट इन द बिगनिंग what will we decide for the question that how will we solve, what we have to do, it is given here, but how will we do, that is the important। तो पहले तो अपन इसको समझते हैं। AOB is a straight line। अब देखो स्ट्रेट लाइन होने का मीनिंग क्या होता है, स्ट्रेट लाइन। अब ये पॉइंट, ये लाइन स्ट्रेट है, ये मान लो फॉर एग्जांपल ऐसे दे रखा है, तो यहाँ पे एंगल कितने डिग्री हुआ, मान लो ये एंगल 70 डिग्री का है। तो बेसिक सी बात है, 70 का नहीं, ये मान लो आपका है 170, तो ऑब्वियसली इट विल बी इक्वल्स टू 190। क्लियर? यदि यहाँ पे ये एंगल 180 डिग्री हो, दिस एंगल इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री, तो अपन ये बोल सकते हैं ये लाइन कैसी होगी, तब ये लाइन कैसी होगी, स्ट्रेट होगी। तो हम किसी भी पॉइंट पे एट ईच एंड एवरी पॉइंट if you want to prove the given line is a straight line, then prove that at this particular point the angle is equals to 180 degree। यदि हम ये बता दें यहाँ पे एंगल कितने डिग्री का है, 180 डिग्री का, तो आपकी ये लाइन फिर क्या हो जाएगी, स्ट्रेट। क्यों? क्योंकि इसमें जो वेरिएशन आ रहा है, आपकी जो लाइन है वो ब्रेक हो रही है। वैसे तो देखो ये लाइन यहां से ब्रेक होना बता रहा है, देखो इस पॉइंट पे, और तो कोई पॉइंट है ही नहीं ना, तो इस पॉइंट पे ब्रेक हो रही है एंगल, क्योंकि यहीं पे बन रहे हैं। तो पॉसिबिलिटीज, द मैक्सिमम पॉसिबिलिटी इज हियर दैट द एंगल ऑफ द वैल्यू ऑफ दीज एंगल्स will be increase or decrease more than 80 or less than 80। so this question is depends on this theory that what will be the value of this one angle। यदि ये एंगल 180 का है और ये वाला भी 180 का है, एक 180 का होगा तो दूसरा उसका 180 का ही होगा। तो ये एंगल यदि 180 का है तो फिर अपन ये कह सकते हैं कि AOB इज ए स्ट्रेट लाइन। सो ये फंडामेंटल इसका समझना इंपॉर्टेंट है। तो AOB स्ट्रेट लाइन। अब देखो AOB, इसका मतलब ये डेफिनेशन, ये लाइन कहां पे ब्रेक हुई है, O पे। तो हमें O पॉइंट पे, एट द पॉइंट O we have to prove here that the angle, this one angle is equals to 180 degree or this one equals to 180 degree। From these both two angle, if you will satisfy any one angle, then we can say that it will be a straight line at the point O। बात समझ में आ गई आपके यहाँ पे? चलो फिर करते हैं। Angle BOC is X plus this one is COA Y, and next is Z, and next is W is equals to 360 degree। इसके हिसाब से X plus Y is equals to W plus Z। So at the place of this one I am writing W plus Z plus Z plus W is equals to 360। 2Z or 2W, 2W plus 2Z is equals to 360 degree। 2 common, W plus Z is the remaining value which is equals to 360 degree। Use these symbols also, a very important symbol view of the examination। Now Z plus W, 2 diameter में Z plus W will be, or W plus Z will be 360/2। अब देखो Z ये हो गया, W ये हो गया, मिलके कौन सा एंगल बन गया, AOB। एंगल AOB इज इक्वल्स टू 180 डिग्री। अब ये AOB आप इधर देख सकते हैं या फिर ऊपर से देखेंगे तो भी AOB है और नीचे से देखेंगे तो भी AOB है। सो फाइनली वी कैन से दैट AOB, thus AOB is a straight line। Okay students, so I hope you understood। 3, 4th and 5th question, and also enjoyed the today's class also, and this enough for the today's class. Remaining part we will solve in the next video. And thanks for watching this video, and please comment for any doubt in the comment box, and you can send me by the our school log application also. So thanks for watching this video. Thanks again.